into ultra-bright adaptive headlamps, giving the van a bold but elegant personality. The side profile is clean and modern, featuring flush-fit smart doors, privacy-tinted windows, and aerodynamic curves that improve efficiency at high speeds. You also get a high ground clearance setup designed for long trips on rough roads, making this camper van feel ready for mountains, deserts, highways, and cross-country tours. The rear design is equally stunning with full-width LED tail lamps, high-mounted safety lights, and a smooth, premium back door that opens up to reveal impressive storage space. Roof rails, integrated solar panels, and a high-capacity roof AC unit complete the exterior look, making the entire vehicle feel like a perfect blend of modern engineering and luxury adventure. Once you step inside the 2026 Toyota Camper Van Luxury, everything changes. The cabin welcomes you with soft ambient lighting and a spacious open-floor design that makes the entire interior feel like a mini luxury apartment. The materials inside include premium stitched leather, soft touch panels, brushed metal accents, and high-quality laminates that amplify the sense of refinement. The moment you sit in the driver's seat, you feel the upgrade. Toyota's new digital cockpit gives you a 14-inch curved display, a fully digital instrument cluster, voice command control, and wireless connectivity for a completely smart driving experience. The steering wheel feels solid, wrapped in soft premium leather, featuring integrated controls for navigation, music, and real-time vehicle monitoring. The panoramic windshield gives you a wide, cinematic view of the road, making long highway drives feel smooth and relaxing. As you move toward the main living space, you notice the clever layout designed to maximize comfort. The lounge area features a convertible sofa with memory foam cushions, premium upholstery, hidden storage compartments, and a fold-out table perfect for dining, working, or relaxing during stops. The big side windows bring in natural light during the day, and at night, the soft ambient LED lighting creates a warm, cozy atmosphere. A wall-mounted smart TV with streaming support, Bluetooth speakers, and a built-in entertainment control panel give you a complete multimedia experience no matter where you travel. The kitchen in the 2026 Toyota Camper Van Luxury is compact but extremely functional. It includes a stainless steel sink with a smart water-saving tap, a dual-burner electric stove, a mini fridge with freezer section, a microwave oven, and plenty of cabinets for storage. The countertop uses scratch-resistant materials, and the overhead LED lights brighten the entire area for easy cooking even at night. This kitchen lets you prepare meals comfortably whether you're parked on a beach, a mountainside, or in the middle of a long road trip. Every inch is designed to support long journeys without compromising on convenience. Moving further in, the bedroom area brings true comfort to the van. The 2026 Toyota Camper Van Luxury features a full-size memory foam bed with premium fabric, soft lighting around the edges, overhead cabinets, charging ports, and a convenient side window for ventilation and natural light. The space is designed for two people to sleep comfortably, and the insulation keeps the temperature stable even during extreme weather. Whether you're ending a long day of travel or just taking a peaceful midday rest, this bedroom area provides a quiet, private, and relaxing zone. The washroom is another highlight of this camper van, combining practicality with thoughtful design. It features a compact standing shower with a water-saving spray system, a modern flush toilet, a small sink with storage underneath, built-in ventilation, and easy-to-clean wall panels. Everything is designed to be moisture-resistant and durable, making long-term travel easy and worry-free. Despite being compact, the washroom feels open and organized thanks to the clever layout. Storage is another strong point in the 2026 Toyota Camper Van Luxury. You get overhead lockers, hidden compartments, a rear cargo section, and specially designed under-seat storage that keeps your essentials organized throughout the trip. Whether you're packing camping gear, clothes, groceries, or electronics, this camper van has space for everything. And then comes the ride experience. The 2026 model includes enhanced suspension for a smoother drive, noise-dampening materials for a quiet interior, and Toyota's latest safety features such as lane assist, adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking. Even on long journeys, you feel safe, relaxed, and in complete control. In the end, the 2026 Toyota Camper Van Luxury is more than a vehicle. It's your home, your comfort zone, your mobile suite, your adventure partner. It gives you freedom with style, luxury with practicality, and travel with a sense of peace. Whether you are exploring new cities, traveling across countries, camping in remote areas, or simply enjoying a weekend road escape, this camper van transforms every trip into a comfortable, enjoyable, and memorable experience. It's the perfect blend of Toyota reliability, modern technology, and true luxury living on wheels.